Hello everyone. For today, i-discuss naman natin yung calculator technique ng ating mean and standard deviation. So first, discuss muna natin si mean. Si mean is the average or the most common value in a collection of numbers. Sa statistics naman, it is a measure of central tendency of a probability distribution along median and mode. The average of the given numbers and is calculated by dividing the sum of given data by the total number of data. It is also referred as an expected value. So meron tayong formula dito for finding the sum or itong mu or itong x bar is equals to the sum of all data divided by the number of data or equals to summation of x over n where n is the number of data. So meron tayong question dito. Let's try to solve. First, manually, a teacher recorded the scores of 10 students on a math test. The scores are as follows: 78, 85, 92, 88, and 76. What is the mean score of the students? So, mean natin. So, mu equals to, ano yung sabi natin sa numerator? Sum of all data. So, ibig sabihin, this is 78 plus 85 plus 92 plus 88 plus 76. And then, number of data. So, ilan ba yung data natin? Di ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, divided by 5. Kaya yung mu natin ngayon ay simply, so this is 78 plus 85 plus 92 plus 88 plus 76 divided by 5. So this is 83.8. So paano naman siya sa ating calculator technique? So simply, sundan nyo ako. Mode 3 for stat. And then, select natin si 1, yung SD. So ilalagay lang natin lahat yung data natin. 78, 85, 92, 88, and 76. Then, press natin si CA. And then, select natin si apps. And then, press natin tong 5. Itong may S var. Ayun, makikita nyo yung X bar, which is si number 2. So, pag pinress natin si 2, lalabas si X bar. And then, kung ipapress naman natin si equals, lalabas na sagot ay 83.8, which is same sa nakuha natin manually. So, ganyan yung ating pagkuha ng mean. So, next naman tayo sa ating standard deviation. So, ano nga ba yung standard deviation? It measures the spread of a data distribution. It measures the typical distance between each data point and the mean. Meron tayong dalawang standard deviation, which is the population standard deviation and the sample standard deviation. So yung mu tsaka x bar natin, same lang naman yan na mean. And then kung papansinin nyo, parehas yung numerator natin. Di ba? Magkaiba lang yung ating denominator. Sa population, n lang siya. And then sa sample, n minus 1. So let's try to solve a problem. Given the following statistical data, determine the population and sample standard deviations. Sample standard deviation lang yan. Data natin, 112, 132, 144, and 156. 156 and 164. So, ang mainam natin na gagawin dito ay iti-table natin. So, data. Tapos, ito yung, let's say, ito yung mean natin. And then, ito yung numerator natin na xi minus mu or x bar. So, ito yung xi natin minus mu or xi minus x bar squared. Squared na lang yan, ano? Kasi yan ang kukunin natin mamaya, yung sum. And then yung data natin, 112, 132, 144, 156, and 164. So, kunin natin si min using yung Caltech natin kanina, mode 3, 1. Input lang natin, 112, 132, 144, 156, 164. So, press natin CA, apps, and then 5. Select natin si 2. 141.6. So, yung min natin ay 141.6. And para makuha natin tong xi minus the mean, itong data natin minus the mean, tapos i-square lang natin siya. So, gawin natin 112 minus 141.6 squared. So, this is 876.16. 876.16. And then, palitan natin to 112 na lang. 132. 92.16. Tapos, palitan na lang din ulit natin. 144 minus 141.16, 5.76. Tapos, 156 minus 141.6. So, this is 207.36. And then, last, 164 minus 141.6. This is 501.76. And then, kukunin natin ngayon yung sum nito, nitong table na to, itong buo na to, yung sum ngayon ni xi minus mu squared or yung sum ni xi minus x bar squared. So, this is, calculator natin, 876.16 plus 92.16 plus 5.76 plus 207.36 plus 501.76. So, this is 1683.2. So, yan yung sum na nakuha natin. And kunin na natin ngayon si population and sample. So, di ba for population, simply this is the square root of 1683.2 divided by n. So ano yung n natin? Ito, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So divided by 5. So ilan to ngayon? 1683.2 divided by 5. This is 18.35. And then for sample standard deviation, same lang naman sila, no? 1683.2 pero yung denominator ay 5 minus 1. Kaya this is 5 minus 1. This is 20.51. And then ngayon, check natin siya by our calculator technique. So ganun ulit, mode 3 and then 1. Ilalagay lang natin yung ating data. 112, 132, 144, 156, and 164. Press CA, then apps, then ganon ulit, kay 5. And then ito, si number 3, ito si population. Kasi makikita nyo, N lang naman siya dito, no? N lang. Kaya press natin si 3. So, tingnan natin kung same. 18.35, which is correct. Then ganun ulit, press natin si apps. Press natin si 5. Itong n-1, kay sample naman yan, ano? Sample standard deviation. So, press lang natin si 4. Ang lalabas, 20.51, which is the same. So, ganyan kumuha ng mean and standard deviation and calculator technique niya using the Canon F-789SGA. So, ayun lang. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. I hope may natutunan kayo. And kita-kits ulit tayo sa next video tutorial natin.